Say the sounds that you say. No. Good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Great. Man, I'm having a hard time with these cards. I'm sorry. Very good. Very good. Very good. Up two sounds. That's right. And all. That's very good. And very good. All right. So, all right. Now we're gonna do some sounds. We're gonna write. We're gonna write the sounds that you hear. All right. Fingers up. Ready. Write. Coal. Coal. Very good. All right. We're going to write the ending blend. Dole.
Dole.
Good try. D-L-E. Good. Dole. Very good. That was a little bit of a hard one. All right. Let's write the sound. These are a little bit harder. There you go. Very good. No, there you go. Good. Very good. All right. Write the beginning blend. Soul. Soul. All right. Do that one again. What was it? Soul. Very good. All right. We will do one more. Ing. Ing. Very good. Very good. All right. All right, let's put this to the side. Now we are going to work on our blending board. All right. Ready? Can you read it? All right, fingers up. Ready? Read.
Awful.
Awful. That's a crazy word. Good. All right. Ready? Fingers up. Ready? Read. Good job. Very good. All right. Very good. All right. Very good. All right. Ready? Fingers up. Ready? Read. Very good. All right. What about this? This is an open syllable. So what does this say? Very good. You didn't even have to really sound that one out. All right. What about this if I add magic E to the end? Might. Very good. All right. Now, one more. I have a hard time getting it. Ready? Go ahead. Bull.
Blip.
Blip. Very good. Let's do a different sound in the middle. All right. Ready? Bull. Bloat. Bloat. Very good. Very good. All right, so now we're going to talk about prefixes. Prefixes come at the beginning of a word. All right, so we have the prefix be. Can you say be?
B.
the prefix pre.
D.
D, very good. And pro. And re, very good. So let's try to write some of these in the sand. Write, fingers up, ready, write. The prefix be. Just one time. What are you spelling? B-E. B, very good. Next, the prefix pre. E.
R-E.
Pre, very good. Next, the prefix D.
D-E.
D, very good. Next, the prefix pro.
P-R-O. Pro.
Very good. Next, the prefix re.
R-E.
Re. Very good. All right. So now we're going to dictate a few of our words. Ready? Pen up, pounder ready. The word is protect. Ready? Pound. Protect. Prefix pro. Second syllable tect. Good. Protect. Write it. You did it. All right, let's pound it again. Ready? Protect. Tect. Et. Et. All right, so let's look. Read it. What's it called? What's it say?
Protect.
Good. All right, that's the t sound at the end. C-T. It's okay. All right, ready? Pencil up. Pounder ready? Prevent. Ready? Prevent. First sound, pre. Second syllable, vent. Ent. Good. Write it. All right. Good job. Here's the word. Read it.
Prevent.
Very good.
Wait, did I get that?
Yeah, you did. Pencil up. Pounder ready? Repaid. Ready? Repaid. First syllable, re. Second syllable, paid. Aid. Good. All right. Good job. I love how you did sneaky E, but it was actually a vowel team. A and I. That was great thinking. So you read it. What does it say?
Repaid.
Very good. You ready? All right. Pencil up, pounder ready? Behold. Behold. First syllable, be. Second syllable, hold. Old. Old. It's actually one of our wild old words. Old. Very good. Now read it.
Behold.
Very good. All right, pencil up, pounder ready? Remake. Ready, pound. Remake. First syllable, re. Next syllable, make. Oh, what's going to make it?
A.
What do you think is going to make that sneaky E? I mean, oh, I told you. What do you think is going to make it say the long sound? I told you. I'm silly. All right. I gave you the answer. Go ahead.
What was it?
Remake. All right, let's do 2 sentences. Ready? All right, so I'm going to say it twice. Jake must defend his speech. Jake must defend his speech. Ready? Pound it. Jake must defend his speech. Write it. I think you can do it.
I got the food. Right.
We'll check it in just a second. Can you get it? All right, read it.
Jake must defend his speech.
You did. Good job.
Wait, defend.
You did defend her. That was great.
No, that was a B.
Oh, all right. Next sentence, and this will be the last thing we'll do on this part. You ready? Will you protect the slide on the wall? Will you protect the slide on the wall? Pound it. Ready? We gotta pound it first. Will you protect the slide on the wall? Go ahead. That was it. That's it up there. CT, remember? The slide on the wall.
Protect.
Good. All right, now read it.
Will you protect the slide on the wall?
Very good.